Welcome to the heart of India's most vibrant celebrations, Ganesh Chaturthi. For 10 glorious days, the air hums with devotion, joy, and the rhythmic chants of Ganpati Bappa Moria. But have you ever wondered why this magnificent festival, marking the birth of Lord Ganesha, spans not just a day, but a full 10? Let's uncover the profound story and deeper meanings behind this beloved tradition. Our journey begins with a tale as ancient as time itself. Imagine Goddess Parvati, seeking a guardian for her privacy, creating a child from sandalwood paste, a boy named Ganesha. He was brought to life with a singular purpose, to stand guard. Unbeknownst to Ganesha, the man he barred from entry was none other than Lord Shiva, Parvati's own husband. In a moment of divine fury, Shiva beheaded the boy. But a mother's grief touched the heavens. Realizing his mistake, Lord Shiva promised to restore Ganesha. And so, with the head of an elephant, Ganesha was reborn, forever revered as the remover of obstacles, the Vignaharta, and the harbinger of new beginnings. Why 10 days? It's not just a countdown, it's a profound journey of spiritual and community connection. Divine presence. These 10 days symbolize Lord Ganesha's benevolent presence on earth. It's believed that during this time, he graces the homes of his devotees, showering them with blessings of prosperity and removing life's hurdles. Spiritual growth. It's a journey of inner transformation. Each day offers an opportunity for spiritual growth, a chance to cleanse our minds of anger, greed, or jealousy, and invite wisdom and peace into our souls. It's a time to overcome our inner obstacles. Devotional practices. Every moment is steeped in devotion. From daily prayers and fervent aartis to offerings of Ganesha's favorite sweet, modaks, homes and public pandals become hubs of immersive spiritual practice. Anant Chaturdashi, immersion. Then comes Anant Chaturdashi, the 10th day, when the idol is immersed in water. This isn't an end, but a powerful reminder of life's eternal cycle, birth, growth, and return to the elements. It's a beautiful lesson in impermanence and renewal, community and togetherness. Beyond the rituals, Ganesh Chaturthi weaves a tapestry of community. These extended celebrations unite people from all walks of life, fostering a profound sense of togetherness, shared stories, and collective joy. But Lord Ganesha offers more than just blessings. His very form is a living lesson. Knowledge and listening. His large head signifies wisdom and intellect, urging us to constantly seek knowledge. And his big ears? A reminder to be patient listeners, understanding before responding. Focus with humility. His small eyes teach focus and humility. Stay centered on your goals, but always with modesty. Family reverence. His boundless love for his parents, Shiva and Parvati, reminds us to cherish our family and elders, nurturing strong bonds that last a lifetime. Overcoming obstacles. As the Vignaharta, the remover of obstacles, Ganesha inspires us. No problem is insurmountable. With determination, wisdom, and the right mindset, every hurdle can be overcome. Balance in life. His unique form, elephant head on a human body, beautifully symbolize balance. Enjoy worldly pleasures, but stay grounded in your spirituality. Ganesh Chaturthi is more than just a festival. It's a living journey of devotion, learning, and unity. For 10 days, Lord Ganesha truly embodies the essence of wisdom, patience, and perseverance. As we celebrate, let's not just witness the spectacle, but truly embrace the profound lessons he offers, striving to incorporate His divine values into our lives every single day. Ganpati Bappa Moria.